Hello everyone. The genetical argument will be an argument of the Albanians against the Bosniaks, and in this video we will go through this claim and see is it valid or invalid. To better understand this argument, we will need to know what the argument is. Basically, the argument will be because the people of Sandzak have the same haplogroups and the same clades that are mostly uh, widespread among the Albanians, therefore, an assimilation had happened in this region. This claim will be based on an assumption that the nations are a genetical construct rather than a social construct. We will examine sources, biological. In the research book Legal Aspect of Ethnic Data Collection and Positive Action, the Roma Minority in Europe. In the book, it is mentioned that the ethnicities are a social construct rather than a genetical one. We will not isolate to one book, but to multiple sources. Many genetical research and many academia will claim that races and nations are a social construct and not a genetical one. Further arguing, if we take the DNA of a black person and a white person, we will see no differences, that 99% will be all the same, and the 1% will be melanin and other factors which we see as races. If this concept is accepted, the following syllogism can serve as a next logical argument in the sequence of reasoning. The major premise would be to be Albanian, one must have the essential traits of Albanianhood: language, culture, and historical consciousness. The minor premise would be the ancestors of some Bosniaks of Sandzak cannot be proven to have had the traits of Albanianhood. The conclusion would be, therefore, these Bosniaks of Sandzak are not Albanians and were never Albanians. We do not negate that Albanians lived in this region, but the thing we negate here is that the Bosniaks had Albanian origins, that the majority of these people had an Albanian origins, even though the opposite side cannot prove this. In the Cambridge Dictionary, this will also be the definition that we have used, while our syllogism will be confirmed by logic. Something cannot be something until it has the important predicates. Example: a triangle cannot be a triangle until it fulfills the characteristics of being a triangle. Same goes for the Albanians.